Hello friends, another review from Matismart. Today we have a device that may seem familiar to you, but as soon as you watch this video to the end, you will make sure that you have never heard of something like this. In general, an overview of the MT61SR line of devices. What's what? Let's go! Let's start with unpacking. On the box itself, there is all the data about the device. Inside, we have the device itself and adapters for connecting to terminals. But let's not spoil and immediately go to the most interesting, to the device. In appearance, it is very similar to MT61GP, which we previously reviewed. But there are a number of additional functions that are distinctive feature of this device. But about everything in order. There are terminals on the top and the bottom of the device, and the purpose of the particular contact is marked on the side. The terminals on top of which the initials AUX and SIGN are indicated who intended for auxiliary devices and for transmitting information about the state of the power grid and the device. In the case of MT61GP, this device has a wider protection functionality. It includes all the protective functions of the MT61, as well as protection against residual current. Simply put, this is a differential circuit breaker, or as they are often called, RCBO. However, unlike traditional RCBOs, MT61SR additionally provides protection against phase loss and protection against high and low voltage. Let's see in practice how this protection function works. We have connected the devices to a voltage converter and will test it under the influence of high and low voltage. Excellent! The device successfully demonstrates its protective functions. But we have not gone much away from the topic. Let's continue to inspect the device. The lower terminals also allow us to connect the dry contact and the RES485 to remote control and connection to the control platform. We will show you how it works in detail in the next video, so be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss it. This device has a few more interesting features. This is software and hardware, thanks to which such opportunities as analysis of the state of the power grid, remote control are opened. And also data the built-in mechanism. The device automatically turns on when short-term problems in the power grid are removed. And we will demonstrate this now. The device is under influence of high voltage and is disconnected. Let's restore the voltage to the operating range and see what happens. As you can see, the device turned on automatically within 1 minute. If you are wondering why for so long, then there is a good reason for this. The device reached the state of the power supply for 1 minute. And if the voltage remains in the operating range during this period of time and there are no other problems, the device will automatically turn on. The check time can be changed both in the software and manually via the control panel in the device and the LCD display that is located on the front side of the device. They are also necessary for operational verification by specialists, since the LCD display displays all the information about voltages, trip history, residual current values, amperage and other data in real time that will help determine the cause of the malfunction. As well as using the control buttons, you can change the operation mode of reswitching. Change the interface language to English, Arabic, Spanish and French. Next to it is the test button to check the serviceability of the RCD. Such are also available in traditional RCD. It is also worth paying attention to this hole. Due to it, you can lock the device. If you hang the lock, then the device loses the ability to automatically turn on and remote control. This is done to ensure safety and avoid electric shock during technical repairs. I want to note that this device has several types of rated shutdown current. Those that you can buy are visible now on the screen. But it is worth noting that, as in the case of the MTS3, you can change the nominal cutoff threshold from 6 amps to 125 amps. Such a possibility of adjustment is also available with the sensitivity of the residual current. Right on the device you can choose the sensitivity in the range of 30 to 100 and 300 mA, which gives the device a tolerance for operation in a complex electrical environment. As we may have noticed, the device is very versatile. It can be used in various areas where it is necessary to provide modern protection and control of the power grid. For example, you can use the device in telecommunication stations, railway stations, on long highways and industrial areas. But the best option for you is to contact us, and we or our regional partners will select a comprehensive solution using our devices. If you want to get acquainted with this device in more detail, you can download the catalog from the link in the descriptions. And this is the end of MT61SR review. It will be interesting what you think about this device. Write in the comments below. Bye!